let's talk about how solar works. It all starts with the sun. Obviously, you need a lot of sun for solar power. Luckily, New Mexico gets 280 days of sun per year, so this is a great place to take advantage of solar. Inside the solar panels that we put on your house are photovoltaic cells, which are made of silicon. When sunlight hits the cells, electrons start moving and create direct current electricity. This is a problem. Most things in your house run on a different type of electricity called alternating current. But don't worry, we take care of that too. We'll install an inverter in your house that will turn solar energy into energy your house can use. So, now you know how solar works. But how does it work for you? You'll notice that even though your house is running on solar, you're still connected to the grid. But when you look at your energy meter, you'll notice it running much slower than it ever has. And it may even run backwards. When the energy your house is producing from solar turns out to be more than you actually use, it'll go back into the grid, and you'll be credited from the energy company, saving you even more money.